Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to share products or listings from the Alibaba app. So let's get started. Open the Alibaba app on your smart device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Opening the Alibaba app on the homepage will show you several products. Choose the one you want to share and click on it. Clicking on the product will open a new page where you can see details about this product and other options. Among the other products, there is also an option for sharing, as you can see under the price. On the right side, there is an arrow pointing to the right. Click on it. The application will open a small window where you will be offered several applications that you use. All you have to do is choose the one you want and click on it. You know the rest of the procedure, so we wouldn't have to repeat it. That is regarding the first sharing. Now we will show you the second one. Exit the small window, and in the upper right corner of the screen, you will see 3 dots that will click. Then, in the drop-down menu, you will go down to the Share option and click on it. It is exactly the same procedure as with the first option. All you have to do is choose the app you want to share through and click on it. And that's it! You have successfully shared the product with your contacts. It's that simple. Now you can easily share products you love or think are useful right from the Alibaba app. Whether you're collaborating on a business deal or just sharing great finds with friends, this feature makes it quick and easy. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and app tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.